Here are 5 Pinterest marketing mistakes you're probably making. The first one is neglecting your Pinterest SEO. Here's the thing, Pinterest is a search engine. So that means your SEO for your profile, for what you use on your boards, anything like that, your keywords need to be on point. So if you have not done your keyword research, that could be a problem. The second thing, not putting enough effort into your images. So Pinterest is a visual platform, so you want to make sure that your pin images are on point and they're going to get people to actually stop the scroll. The third thing is not having a clear strategy in place. You don't have a plan, you kind of just winging it, you're kind of just pinning and praying. Yeah, don't do that. The fourth thing, your boards are full of irrelevant pins. You're just pinning any old thing to your boards. Or you have a lot of personal boards on your business profile. Don't do that either. And number 5, you are ignoring your Pinterest analytics. Your analytics can be so golden in figuring out how to improve your strategy, what isn't working. So make sure you're paying attention to it. So that's it. Those are the 5 mistakes you might be making. I'm Presh Rogers and I am a Pinterest marketing expert for online businesses, hopefully like yours. So yeah.